Today not many people has come. Namo tassa 3 times. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Lesson 6. Numerals. You know numerals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, you know? Okay? Okay. Today's a numerals. Everyone know how to recite according to English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. No? Eka to dasa. Eka meaning 1. Dasa meaning 10. Eka to dasa. Okay, 1 to 10. Now we can recite according to Pali. Eka, dvi, ti, chatu, pancha, cha, satta, atta, nava, dasa. The this numerals, some kind of numbers we can make according to the gender. Some numbers follow the according to gender. Example, eka. Eka according to masculine, eko. Eko poriso, 1 man. Okay, poriso is the masculine. The eko poriso, 1 man. Eka itti, 1 woman. Ekang puppang, 1 flower. Understand? Eko, eka, ekang. See the paper, in your paper. This according to cases. Eka. Now see under the masculine singular, eko. Feminine singular, eka. Neuter singular, ekang. This is subject. Understand? Okay, please write down with the example. Eko puriso. Eko puriso. This is masculine. Na? Eko puriso means 1 man. Eka itti. Eka ittihi. Eka ittihi means one woman. Eka ittihi. Ekang phalang, one flower. Ekang phalang. Okay, understand? And according to the object, accusative, you can understand easy, no? Ekang, ekang, ekang. Everywhere same. Ekang, ekang, ekang. Okay, the according Tatiya, the singular we call ekena, ekena, with the one, with the one. Ekena purisena, with one man. Ekena purisena, with one man. Ekena purisena, with one man. Example, I go with one man. I go with one man. Ahan ekena purisena gacchami. Ahang ekena purisena gacchami. Understand? I go with woman. I go with woman. Ekaya, ekaya, ittiya, ittiya gacchami. Ahang ekaya ittiya gacchami. Understand? The same way we have to understand. The according dative chatutti ekassa. Ekassa, the chatutti dative 2 4 ekassa. Ekassa means receiver, no? Receiver. Ahang ekassa purisassa. Ahang ekassa purisassa bhattang dadami. Okay, please write down one sentence to example. Ahang ekassa purisassa bhattang dadami. Can write bhattam BHATTAM dot bhattang. Bhattam means rice. Bhattang dadami. Dadami meaning give. How to write? What's the meaning? Ahang ekassa purisassa to one man. You understand, no? I give rice to one man. Receive is one man. The feminine, ekissa, ekissaya, but two have, but anyway one mean. Ekissa, ekissaya. Okay, later we can do the feminine side. Again, you try to see the under the masculine only. Panchami, ablative from ekasma, 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 ekamha, ekasma. By one or from one. Sorry, from one. From one. Ahang ekamha purisamha. Ahang ekamha purisamha bhattang labami. Labami. Bhattang labami. Labami means receive. Now get, also no problem. How we translate? From one man. Now understand about numeral, no? Next one, the genitive. Chatti, ekassa. Ahang, write down the one sentence. Ahang ekassa porisassa gehe. Ahang ekassa porisassa gehe vasami. Gehe. Yeah, gehe vasami. Vasami means live. I live in the house of the one man. This means house belongs to the one man. Ekassa purisassa or manusassa. Sattami, locative. Ekasmin or ekamhi, ekasmin. In, on or at. One example. Ahang ekasmin ratte. Ekasmin ratte. Ratte means R-A-T-T double T-H-E. Ratte. Ratte means in the country. Ratte. Ahang ekasmin ratte vasami. Vasami. In the one country. He not travel, no? He is not going to travel anywhere. He is in one country, one place. Ekasmin ratte. In the one country. Understand? Good. The feminine, we already make the sentence until tatiya. The chatuthi ekissa ekissaya. Okay, one sentence. Ahang ekissaya vanitaya. Ekissaya vanitaya or ittiyaya, same meaning. Ahang ekissaya vanitaya bhattang dadami. Dadami means give. Give. I to the one woman. The receiver is one woman. No? Ekissaya vanitaya or ekissaya ittiya. The same way, there no any different. Ekaya, ekissa, ekissaya, ekaya, ekissang, all are same. Okay, all are same. Here also alapana vocatives eka. Eka is better. Eka. Usually we not use, but we can say eka purisa. Dear one man. Dear one man. Oh one man. We can say eka purisa. We can say eka purisa. Sometime eka purisa. Eka purisa. Yeah, eka itti. Eka vanita. Yeah, eka acharya. Eka acharya. Dear one teacher. Ekang pala. Ekang pala. Okay, the noiter. Now ekang, ekang, ekena, ekasa, all can understand, like masculine, no? Like masculine. Similar to the masculine. One thing, they don't have the plural of the one eka. But sometime we can say, in English, we can some people, some. At that time we use the eka as a plural. Example of some peoples. We will say some peoples plural. At that time, eke manussa we can say. Like example now, according to the pronouns, we call sabbo, sabbe all. Sabbe is all. Sabbe satta, all beings, all living beings. Sabbe pana, sabbe bhuta, we call sabbe, like sabbe purisa, all the peoples. But if someone want to say the some peoples, at that time we can say eke manussa, eke purisa. But only the some. At that time only plural. But regularly we don't have the plural of the eka. So use one no? Eka singular, no? Don't have the plural, no? But according to English, if someone want to say the some peoples, at that time we can use the plural. Only this point, this place only. This way we not use the plural, okay? But after two means singular, plural. Plural, don't have singular in the two. Okay, now we can see next. The has only plural form. Okay? See? Bahuvachana plural. Dve, dve. Dve, dve. Dvihi, dvibi, dvinnam, dvinnannam, dvibi, dvihi, dvinnam, dvinnannam, dvisu. This means two. Means two. Dve purisa. Dve purisa. Two men. Two men. Dve purisa. Okay? Dve purise. Two men. Dvihi purisehi. With two men. Dvihi purisehi. With two men. Dvinnam or dvinnannam purisanam. To the two men. Two men. Confused? Understand? But some are the cases very new, no? You see in the paper number 1.4, one for the V. Yeah. Book also, the paper also have. Okay, please recite. Dve. Okay, this is a dvi, but dvi coming from upper the dvi. Okay, dvi. Dvi. Okay, we can practice with the nouns, huh? Dve purisa, two men. Dve purise, two men. Dvihi purisehi. Dvihi purisehi with. Okay. Dvinnam purisanam. Two men. Dvibi purisehi from. Dvinnam purisanam of. Dvisu purisesu. Yeah, example, now the example I want to say, they have the two person. One of the two is clever. Huh? Now we can say Dvisu purisesu. Dvisu purisesu eko panyava hoti. Panyava hoti. Panyava is the clever, wisdom. Yeah, one is the clever among the two. Among the two means Dvisu purisesu. Dvisu purisesu, like among the two. Of Dvisu purisesu eko panyava hoti. Now, see, Visu Purisesu. Visu Purisesu meaning among the two men. Now actually Eko Puriso we want to say, but Eko means can understand one of the men. Eko is the masculine, no? These also masculine plural. Usually the same, the masculine, feminine, all are same. Visu Manu Purisesu, among the two men, Eko, one, Panyava Hoti. Clever. This means the one is clever. One is the wisdom, wise man. One is a wise man among the two. Okay. This is the different grammar, but we can use the these in the place by this thing, like in according this sentence. It's a different grammar, but I want to say that this these sometimes follow with the nouns, sometimes numbering follow without the noun, but we can understand. Huh? Yeah, can. Sometimes in the chatti also, in the genitive also we can say aman. Panyava. No, this is the panya is a wisdom. Okay? Panyava is who has the wisdom. This is wise man. And okay, have case. This is the this is the masculine. We haven't yet study, because example we can guna. Guna means the quality. Guna is a quality. Who has quality? We can gunava, the person. Who has the quality? We call gunava. Huh? Yeah, adjective, like adjective. Okay? Yeah, this people, this man. Panya is the wisdom. This is not the man. This is quality, one of the quality. Who has the man? Who has the wisdom? This is adjective. Become adjective. Panyava. Okay? Gunava is correct. Gunava, Gunavanto. Yeah. Panyava. Later, next lesson. Next week. Don't worry. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. We can say like this. Panya is like Pandito. Same meaning. Yes, same case. But you can see the book. Maybe next week we are going to teach. Huh? Next week. Huh? Yeah, next Thursday. Yeah. Next week, 2 days is Thursday, no? Huh? Yeah, next Thursday. Page number 55 in the according to the New Pali course book. Page number 55. The verbal adjective or participles. 20? Sorry, I will check. 27? Oh, yeah. Okay. This two places have 27 also. Let's check 27. 27, you see? Yeah, Gunava. Yeah. This is the present tense. Gunava. The guna is like Panyava. Eh? Yeah, this Panyava, no? So, Gunava, Gunavanto, Gunavanta. Panyava, Panyavanto, Panyavanta. Okay? Gunavantang, Panyavantang. Yeah, this they have example, no? Panyavantu, the vice. They have. Okay? Understand? Okay, next week we will teach again this one. We'll remind. Okay, brother? Okay? Same Panyava, okay? T has only plural form, but don't have any differently in each gender. They have different thing, huh? Because according to masculine, feminine, neuter, they have different declension. Now according to T, only plural. Under the masculine, we can say tayo, tibi, tihi, tinnang, tinnannang, tibi, tihi, tinnang, tinnannang, tisu. Same, no? Tayo purisa. 3 men. Tayo purise. 3 men. Tihi purisehi. Okay? Tinnannang purisanang. Tihi purisehi. Tinnannang purisana. Tisu purisesu. Okay. Tisu purisesu among Tisu purisesu eko panyava hoti. Same sentence. We can say Tisu purisesu eko bhikkhu hoti. Tisu purisesu eko abadiko hoti. Abad handicap, like we can say handicap. Tisu purisesu eko arogo hoti. Arogo healthy man. Arogo. We can make many sentences if you have the good vocab, if you have the good memory. Okay, now understand? Okay, no? Okay, please recite one more time. feminine. Tisso. Tisso, like tisso. Tisso means 3. Tisso ittio. Or tisso vanitayo. Tisso, tihi itti. Ittihi. Tihi ittihi. Tissannang ittinang. Tihi ittihi. Tissannang ittinang. Tisu ittisu. Yeah. Okay. Now we can see tisu, ittisu, eka, eka. Cannot say eko, no? Because feminine, no? Tisu, ittisu, eka. We can say panyava. Panyavi hoti. Panyavi. Become feminine, like itti, panyavi. Want to write down? Okay, please write down. Tisu, ittisu. You want to help? Tisu, ittisu, eka, panyavi. Tisu, ittisu. Ittisu means how write ittisu? I double T, no, yeah, double T H. I lone. SU, ittisu. Eka, panyavi. Panyavi, VI, panyavi hoti. VI lone, panyavi hoti. Understand? Only little bit have to change. What's the meaning? One woman is clever among the 3 women. One is clever among the 3 women. Okay, noite. Tini phalani. 3 fruits. Tini puppani. 3 flowers. Tihi phalehi. Phala meaning fruits. Tihi phalehi. Tinnannang phalanang. Okay, now today we recite in Satipatthana Sutta, remember? Sister, in the Satipatthana Sutta, the last paragraph is Vinnannam Palana. Vinnannam Palana. Remember? Among the 2 path knowledge. Among the 2 path knowledge. We can get even 1. If you can practice Satipatthana Sutta continuously 7 years or 6 years or 5 years or 4 years or 3 years or 2 years or 1 year continuously. Even 1 week also. If you can continuously practice, you can get one of the path knowledge among the 2. Anagamiyo Arahat. Dvinnannam Phalana. In the Satipatthana Sutta mentioned. Dvinnannam palana. Have Satipatthana? Okay, check. Last. Before last. This, because all are things very important when I going to read the sutta. Have? No, last paragraph. Before last few sentences. Tassa dvinnan palana. Oh, dvinnan or dvinnanna. Two have, no? Dvinnan or dvinnanna. Tassa dvinnan palana. Anyataram palang. Tassa meaning to him. Who is the practicer? To him. Dvinnannam palanam. Among the two path knowledge. Anyatarang palang. Certain one. Anyatarang palang. Certain path knowledge. Yeah, path knowledge. No, the fruit knowledge. Sorry. Fruit knowledge. Understand? Tassa dvinnannam palana. Dvinnam palanam also can. Dvinnannam palanam also can. They say dvinnam palana. Among the two fruit knowledge, path knowledge, sorry, magga knowledge, the pala knowledge. Understand? But we are talking about tinnannam palana means the fruits, normal fruits. Not the we are eating fruits. we are eat apple, pears, meat, apple, pears, grape, orange, etc. Okay? Okay. That's why Lord Buddha used the pala is the fruit knowledge also pala, no? But normal fruits also pala. But the same words but different means. Same words, same pronunciation. Pronunciation all same, but everything same but different means. Same, no? Okay? Good. Now very good. Chatu has only plural form. But we can decline each gender. Masculine. Chattaro. Chattaro satipatthana. Now in Satipatthana Sutta means chattaro satipatthana. 4 kind of foundation of mindfulness. 4 method. 4. Chattaro purisa. Chattaro purise. 4 men. Chatuhi purisehi. Chatunnang purisanang. Chatuhi purisehi. Chatunnang purisanang. Chatusu. Now remember, Chatusu ariya satchesu evang tiparivattang dvadasakarang yata bhutang jnana dassanang na suvisuddhang avosi. In the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta. Chatusu ariya satchesu. In the four noble truth. on the in the Four Noble Truth. Chatusu Arya Satya. Arya Satya means Four Noble Truth, no? Chatusu means four. Arya Satya means Noble Truths. Four meaning Four Noble Truths. Chatusu Arya Satyesu. Arya Satyesu. Arya Satya. Okay? Try to, okay, please recite. Next, according to feminine. Sorry, this chataso, this mistake. Chataso, double S-O. Double S. Here double S. Chataso. But don't, this also chataso. This also chataso. Same. It's not the chaturu. Chataru. This chataso. Same. Double S put here, and this one wrong. Chataro don't have. Chataso. Yeah. Chataso. Then the two place chataso. Chataso itiyo. 4 women. Same way, please recite. Chatusu. Okay, chatusu. Okay, the noiter. Okay, chattari. Now, echo, yes, because masculine. Echo. Before I told the Chatusu Arya Satyesu, it is good under the noite. Under the noite is very nice because Chattari Arya Satchani. Chattari Arya Satchani. 4 noble truths. Because under the noite. Because of the Chatusu Arya Satyesu under the noite. It's better, okay? Pancha has only plural form, but don't have different, only one way. Pancha, Pancha Purisa, Pancha Ityo, Pancha Palani. Same. Pancha, no. Like this very easy, no? No any different. Pancha. Pancha means 5. Pancha is 5. Very common gender. Pancha. Pancha, one word. Panchadwara Vajan. Yeah, Panchadwara. Dwara means door. Pancha, door. 5 door. Very good. What are the Pancha 5 door? Eye, ear, nose, tongue and body. Panchadwara. Okay? Huh? Panchakanda is Rupa, Vedana, Sanya, Sankara, Vijnana. This is different, no? Yeah, this Panchakanda meaning, understand Pali, no? Rupa, Vedana, Sanya, Sankara, Vijnana, the Panchakanda. And this Pancha Dwara. And we can Pancha Indriya. There are two kinds of Pancha Indriya. We can say Chakku also Pancha Indriya, one of the Indriya. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body. This is one kind of Pancha Indriya. Another one, Saddha, faith. Virya, effort, energy. Sati, mindfulness. Samadhi, one-pointedness or concentration. Panya is wisdom. These are 5 faculties. Internal 5 faculties. This is external 5 faculties. The form 5 faculties. This is this is mentally 5 faculties, faith, etc. This is material 5 faculties, eye, ear, all that thing. Rupa and Nama. Okay? Rupa is eye, ear, nose. This Rupa. Rupa 5 faculties. The Nama 5 faculties, we can say Saddha, Sati, Virya, Sati, Samadhi, Panya. They have many faculties, but we can take only 5 especially. Pancha. Pancha Bala, 5 energy. Saddha, Virya, Sati, Samadhi, Panya. Okay? This Pancha. Everywhere same. Huh? The Pancha is for the masculine, for the feminine, for the noiter. All are same. Very common. Okay, please recite this one. Panchannang, double in Panchannang. Okay, good. Okay, number, others number, okay. Dasa, Ekadasa, Dwadasa, sometimes Baras also have. Telasa, Terasa, Chatudasa, okay, Chatudasa, Pannarasa, Panchadasa, Solasa, Sattarasa, Sattadasa, Attarasa, Attadasa, Ekona Vesati, Vesati, Ekavesati, Dve Vesati also can, Dve, Dve Vesati. This is the Dveya, not the Dva. This is Dveya, Dve. Dve Vesati. But Dva also can sometimes, Dva also can, but Dve Vesati also can. Both correct is okay. Ba Vesati, Te Vesati, Chatu Vesati, Pancha Vesati, Chabbisati, Sattavisati, Attavisati, Ekuna Tinsati. Tinsati, Tinsa. Eka Tinsati, Dvattinsati, or Battinsati, Tettinsati. Okay, same way. Chatutinsati, Panchatinsati, Chattinsati, Sattatinsati, Attatinsati, Ekuna Tinsati. Chattalisati, 40. Chattalisa. Same way, Eka Chattalisati, Dve Chattalisati, Ti Chattalisati, Pancha Chattalisati, Pancha Chattalisati, Ch චත්තාලීසති සත්ත චත්තාලීසති අට්ඨ චත්තාලීසති ඒකූණ පන්නාස ඒකූණ පන්නාසති also can පන්නාස ඒකූණ පන්නාස yeah it's correct 15 minus 1 it's correct ඒකූණ සත්තති means 16 minus 1 ඒක ඌණ විසති meaning ඒක ඌණ this is ඒකූණ සත්තති ඒක ඌණ සත්තති සත්තති minus 1 yeah this meaning this is the sattati ekuna sattati okay same way sattati okay we can recite no okay we can see the book also page number 66 page number 66 last koti dasa koti sata koti sahasra koti 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 pakoti they have many until asankhya till asankhya okay 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 this is visati and other numbers ending in e are declined like bhumi okay this is okay to understand things are like one like okay this is okay we can understand sata sahasra like pala this is noita okay we can skip the practice very good no good no no because this one we can practice in the next week also can but we can go to the story okay today is a Pathasala reading hall this is a school okay please recite ahancha no ahancha Chami. Okay. Now the meaning. Patasala Maihang Mata Iva Hoti. The Mata Iva like mother. My school is like mother. Okay, like mother. Tasma, because of Ahang Padasalaya Sinehang Karomi. I love to the school. Love. L-O. Yeah, love. Amhakam Padasalaya Bahu Sissa Ajjana Karonti. In our school, many students are studying. Okay, we can see the meaning properly. The school is like my mother. I love that school. Many students are studying in our school. Can understand, no? Very simple meaning, simple. You can make meaning sentence by sentence. Can, no? Patasala Maihang Mata Iva Hoti. Tasma Ahang Patasalaya Sinehang Karomi. Amha kam Patasalaya Bahu Sissa Ajjenang Karanti. Can, no? Understand, no? Iva. Like. Yeah. Like Iva. Adverb, no? Adverb in the kind of verb. Alright, forget. Iva is nipata. Karomi. Karomi. Sorry, Karomi is mistake. K-A, Karomi. Do. Yeah, no example. Sinehang Karomi, love. The one means. Yes, Sinehang one means that we can say love. Otherwise, I do. Karomi is to do, no? Doing. Usually. I do love. Yeah, Karonti. Ajjenang Karonti. Become one word. Because they say, studying, no? Studying. The Pali. Ajjenang Karonti. We can say, example, before you ask, Senehang Karomi. I am love. That is school also can. Okay. Te anudinang. Anudinang meaning every day. Dina means day, no? Anu means every day. We can say anudinang every day. Other simple. Now ahang cha batara. They reach the school every day. I go to the school with my brother every day. Here they means all of students, huh? All of students. All students. Pronouns. Anudina means every day. Ahang anudinang paauk viharang gacham. Correct, no? We can say every day, daily also can, maybe anudina, daily also can. Okay, finish? Sorry, okay. Next. Amhakang pantiyang. Pantiyang meaning in the class. Dasa sissa. Like our class, no? Ajyanang karonti. In our class, there are 10 students studying. Their teachers give teaching to the students. Okay? Dasa sissa. Okay? Next. Kinkara sissa acharyanang ovadang ganhanti. Kinkara sissa meaning who has the good manner. Sissa meaning student. Kinkara who has good manner, good behavior. Like, yeah. Obedient, no? Obedient. Obedient. Like us, no? Obedient students. Ovada means advice. Sayadoji always give ovada, no? Ovada. Okasa, no? Ovada. Advice. Admonition. Meaning Alaso, na alaso. Alasa meaning? Alasa meaning? Lazy, lazy. We are lazy, no? To study Pali. Not either. Okay. පාඨශාලාය පලකානි. Palaka meaning chair. Palaka, palaka. Palaka means chair. Like palaka meaning? Palaka means like the usually the Peter means chair separately. Palaka means like long, like this. Yeah, bench. Yeah. After the akkara palaka meaning like whiteboard. To write the whiteboard, akkara palaka. Akkara meaning letters, palaka meaning to write. Okay. When I was in school, we used the blackboard. Remember? Yeah, blackboard. Huh? Yeah. Okay. What is the meaning? Palaka? Okay, next one. Tang akkara palakang. Akkara palaka meaning in the whiteboard. Okay, very easy the meaning. Upakara meaning help, support. Sundara meaning good, nice, beautiful. Labitva, having gotten. Anagate, in the future. Ichchati, wishes, desire. See? After I study the Pali also, I wish to have good student in future. Headache? No. Now no more headache. Because I give some medicine already. Please try. I am giving the medicine by good way, smoothly. Okay? Finish now? End. Okay. Okay, try to practice, huh?
The day you give this one in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon,
Usually we call the diva. Yeah, diva loan, diva kali. On the noon time. Divakale on the noon time. Afternoon, pacha divakale, afternoon. Pacha divakale. Afternoon, pacha divakale. Tasma, because. Yeah, because. Yeah. Why the school is very good, very beautiful. No. We can say because of that was okay. Because of that can. Because of that is better. Okay. Sadhu. May you be well and happy. May you be free from all suffering. May you have a good and happy New Year. Okay. Okay, sadhu. Sukhi hotu Nepal pacha. We will see after 1 week. Okay, but don't forget your Pali. Yeah? During the festivals is when you are eating joy. Try to memorize even Pali words. Bunjati, Batam Bunjati, Palang Bunjami, Palang like this. Okay. Bunjitwa Sayami. Each other want to kata Sallapang, Kata Sallapang, Banati, each other talking. Okay, next time I can explain maybe in a free how they communicate, the dialogue, the conversation. We can teach next time. Sadhu.